Hey guys, want to make this amazing French-Canadian dessert. It's called a Pouding Chomeur. It has maple syrup. Check out this video. Like, subscribe. Hey guys, we're going to make Pouding Chomeur today. And that's a recipe, a French-Canadian recipe. One of my favorites. Very rich. Super easy to make. So for that one, for the sauce, your ingredients are going to be 1¼ cup of 35% cream, 1 cup maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And don't forget, all of these recipes are in the description below. And for the cake mixture, you're going to need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 6 tablespoons or 85 grams of sugar, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 large egg, and 6 tablespoons or 90 ml of cold milk, 2%. So very easy. Now we're just going to put in the brown sugar in the pot, maple syrup in the pot, 35% cream in the pot. And we're going to bring that to a boil and then let it, once it boils, we're going to simmer it for about 5 minutes and then remove it off the heat. Alright, so now we're just going to keep whisking, just like that. Alright, simmering 5 minutes like this. So after 5 minutes of simmering, remove from heat. Okay guys, 2 bowls. This bowl, dry ingredients, this bowl, wet ingredients, and then we're going to be doing this bowl with the electric mixer in this one, and then we're going to alternate the milk in between. Right? Alright, batter goes in. Into the oven at 350 for 25 minutes or until the toothpick comes out dry. And on a cooling rack till it cools. And that's what it should look like coming out of the oven. Alright guys, look at that, perfectly cooked. So guys, that's the end result. Look at that. Very nice and spongy, perfectly cooked on the inside. All the outside maple syrup is amazing. Enjoy.